Aloha, mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here for another Huaʻōlelo o Malama, the month of March, or Nana. And these are the Huaʻōlelo o Maoli o Hawaii, the values we have in our Hawaiian culture, of which Partners in Development expresses. Aloha, Auntie Pilahi Paki's acronym, L. L standing for Lōkahi, meaning unity, unbroken, to be expressed with harmony. I hoʻokahi, kahi ka manaʻo. I hoʻokahi, kahi puʻuwai. I hoʻokahi, kahi ki aloha. A Lōkahi no kākou, apau. Endeavor, oneness in mind. Endeavor, oneness in heart. Endeavor, oneness in aloha. And we are all unified. E ola i ka ʻōlelo Hawaii. Thank you for joining us. Aloha.